send me your location. Let's focus on communication. Send me your location, let's focus on communicating. Cause I just need the time and place to come through. Súbame la radio, que esta mi canción. Siente va que va subiendo. Tráeme algo que quite dolor. Vamos a la luna y el sol. Yeah, you're looking at the truth, the money never lie. No, I'm the one, yeah, I'm the one. Early morning in the dawn, know you wanna ride now. I'm the one, yeah, I'm the one, yeah. Yeah, you're sick of all those other imitators. Know that the only real one intimidate ya. I'm the one, I'm the one, yeah. My mama don't like you and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. Yeah, I've been so caught up in my job. Didn't see what's going on, but now I know I'm better sleeping on my own.
Wow, you're really good.
What? Thank you. Did I get you with the accent?
At first I was like...
Oh, basically I'm trying to find a wife, right? Yeah, I'm trying to find a wife, so like, hopefully this works, okay?
Alright.
Dear future wife, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only all my life. Okay, this is all you gotta do. Ready? Take me on a date. I deserve it, babe. And don't forget the blowjob every anniversary. Cause if you treat me right, I'll be the perfect husband. Buy what you need, yeah, buy what you need, yeah. You got that sexy thing, but baby, so do I. And don't be thinking I'll be fucking you all night. I never learned to cook, but I can ride a hook. Sing along with me, sing along with me, hey. You gotta know how to treat me like a man. Even when you're acting crazy, everything will be alright. Did you like that?
I loved it. Oh my gosh.
So will you marry me though?
Yes, I do.
Yo, we got a wife. Hell yeah. No,
Right,
it's your 78th wife.
You have 78
Okay.
wives for cheating on me?
Nah, what the fuck? I'm not cheating on you, but if you want me to, I can. But no, I'll stay loyal.
I don't want you to.
I'ma stay loyal though. You feel me?
Okay, I'm gonna hold you to
Yeah.
that.
I found a love for me, and darling, just dive right in and follow my lead, yeah. Súbame la radio, que esta mi canción. Siente va que va subiendo. Tráeme algo que quite dolor. Vamos a la luna y el sol, yeah. Send me your location, let's focus on communicating. Cause I just need the time and place to come through. Yeah, send me your location, let's ride the vibration. Cause I just need the time and place to come through. Hey. Now, yeah, you're looking at the truth, the money never lie. No, I'm the one, yeah, I'm the one. Early morning in the dawn, know you wanna ride now. I'm the one, yeah, I'm the one, yeah. Yeah, you're sick of all those other imitators. Don't let the only real one intimidate ya. I'm the one, yeah, I'm the one, yeah. Oh, hey, oh, yeah.
So good. I want to sing in Spanish.
You want to sing in Spanish? My mama called, seen you on TV, son, to shit done changed, yeah. Ever since she was on, I dreamed it all, yeah. Ever since she was on, oh, yeah, yeah. Congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation, yeah. They ain't never had a dedication. People hate and change and say, oh, we made it, yeah, we made it, yeah. Now, she was never friendly, yeah. Now I'm jumping in her belly, yeah. Now I know it's dramatic, yeah. But I know how to have it, yeah. For the money I'm a savage, yeah. I be itching like an addict, yeah. I'm surrounded 20 bitches, yeah. But they didn't know me last year, yeah. Everyone wanna act like they important, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But all is around me, but I forgot the lyrics, god damn it. Now súbame la radio, que esta mi canción siente pa' que va subiendo. Tráeme algo que quite dolor. Vamos a juntar la luna y el sol, yeah. Send me your location, let's focus on communicating. I just need the time.
I love your singing.
You love my singing? Damn, okay, thank you.